Hello everyone, welcome back to Returning to Basics. We're doing a new project I've been waiting for a couple of years. We had a friend that has cattle that gave us these. Thank you very much. I've wanted them for a long time. I'm trying to decide my dimensions, how many I can get in here, the kind of things I want to grow in here, and how big they'll be. The sun in the summer goes this way. So when you're planting an area like this, you be sure that you know where your sun travels and plant accordingly. I don't want corn here in front of me real tall and short plants over there. The corn is going to cast the shadow on the other thing. So you have to plan all that. You also need a particular kind of planting medium for different kinds of things. Today, as early as it is in the year, we're planting potatoes, and they're just seed potatoes from the box store, but they will grow up above this medium, and then as they do, we'll add more on top. And I'll have Neil put a clip in here of the ones I just got really anxious to garden that I have in the sunroom that I planted way back several weeks ago. And I would put more potting soil on top, and then they would sprout like 4 inches. I was stunned. We've had potatoes in our in-ground garden for several years, and they've been ruined every time because of moles. We don't have a puppy dog that will dig them up any and kill them anymore. So we decided to go this way instead and give this a try. As I've always said, gardening is a big experiment. So we're going to try this. You see my little decorative piece here. Our septic tank is right in here, and we've had it pumped this past year. So there is a special spot right there that I don't need to put anything heavy on. So I'll just anchor this down, and it'll be a decorative piece in the midst of all of it. But he has cleaned some more of these for me. Since they came off a farm, you never know what might have sprayed on them. So we're just playing it safe, washing them down really good inside and out with Dawn dishwashing liquid, putting good size drain holes, quarter size, about 8 in each one, 6 to 8, probably 8 to 10, truthfully. So you want root crops to drain well, and so that's why we're doing a lot of potting soil intermixed with some compost. And the compost has been sitting, it's bagged compost, but it's been sitting in the yard several months, so it's been aging well. So anyway, this is the project for today, and I'm so excited to get out and play in the dirt. Thanks for coming along with us. And oh, by the way, this ground cover we learned from Living Traditions. They actually take theirs up every year and put it down. They plow and till their ground and put it back down because they have to amend their soil a lot. But we decided to buy this and put it down. We'll put edging. As you can see, I have a few pieces of this. We'll put block down and probably backfill with pea gravel, and that way it'll be here for years. That's our plan, was to do this and have it set up for years. So it's polypropylene, isn't it, Neil? Woven though. It's not solid like black Visclean. This is a woven product that water will go through. So that way we don't have a problem with puddling issues and things like that. So it breathes, and that's why we decided that this would be a great, and it's pretty thick too. Neil used a blowtorch. You can watch Living Traditions. Kevin shows how he trims it. He uses a blowtorch, and the only problem we had was it would pucker So I don't know, it might be better to have something laying on the edge, like a piece of old tin or something, and then blow torch the edge, and it might not pucker the part that's under the metal as well, because we're making a curve, and we were thinking of mowing the lawn and being able to just make a nice sweeping curve off down through there. So, but I'm tickled to have this. It comes in a big roll. It is more expensive than Biz Queen and things like that, but we're to the point that we want to do things that will last and not have to be redone in 3 or 4 years. So we're very anxious to see how all this turns out. I'm glad you're coming along with us and seeing how the spring planting is about to get started, and we'll bring you along to see all of it. And as you can see in the distance, my kale and the onions and the garlic are still doing great. We've taken the roll covers off because it's going to be so great this week, and we're having rain coming in at the end of the week, so this is a good time to get this project done. Thanks for going along with us. God bless you. If you haven't yet, click the like button and subscribe so that you know what all is going on, and you'll be notified when we have something new come out. We're trying to up that schedule a little bit, and then again, we're doing a lot right now. In the spring, you always do. So there's a lot of things that we'll be taping and showing you. And if you have any suggestions, I would love to hear them. Gardeners learn from each other. So if you have any comments on something that didn't work for you, I'd like to know about it. Or if you have any questions about what has worked for us, we'll be glad to get back with you. So thanks again. God bless you. Have a wonderful spring day.